Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix live text not working on iPhone and iOS 17. Live text is an excellent new iOS feature that lets you quickly grab text from image or camera view and use it as you wish. However, many users have complained that live text is not working on their iPhone as expected. So let me show you how you can fix this problem. So before we start the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. So the first step is check if your device support live text. Live text feature supported by iPhone X or later running iOS 15 or later. If your device doesn't meet the requirement criteria, then user won't be able to enjoy this nifty feature. So make sure you have iPhone XS or later running with iOS 15 or later. Then move on to the next step. The next step is ensure show detected text is enabled for camera. One of the perks of live text is that you can recognize text in live scenarios via your iPhone camera, but if you can't see the live text icon on the screen, it might be disabled. To enable it, you can go to settings, scroll down and click on camera app, and here you will see show detected text. Make sure that it's enabled. Then move on to the next step. The next step is enable live text for image. Now if you can't see the live text icon in photos, you can simply go to settings to enable it. Click on general, scroll down, click on language and region, and here you will see live text. Make sure that it's enabled. Then move on to the next step. The next step is change iPhone language. When you can see the live text icon, nothing seems to happen. Maybe you are facing a language barrier currently. Apple support live text for a limited set of language. You can go to settings, click on general, click on language and region. Make sure that you choose the language that is supported by live text. And then move on to the next step. The next step is force quit and relaunch the app. If live text is still not working, force quit the app and relaunch it after 13 seconds. This will most likely kill the background issue and the feature should work properly now. You can swipe up and close the camera app and then wait for 30 seconds. You can open the camera app again to see if the problem is resolved. So if the problem is still there, then the last step is restart iPhone. No matter what the problem is, restarting your device can often resolve the issue. So no harm trying and resolve this issue. You can simply press the volume up and power button to restart your iPhone. So hope this video helps. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.